Hello and welcome to the July 2018 ScrawlrBox. If you remember in my last ScrawlrBox video, I mentioned that I didn't get July's box, but here it is. It made it, I think, the day I arrived in Japan, so we got it now. So let's get into it. Let's get our supplies out. Oh my goodness, what is this? We have our candy, something else, and some paper. So starting off with our pamphlet. Wow, this is the first pamphlet. We have our artist. And it looks like, and I have heard about this box, that we are going to be doing some bullet journaling. So let's put that over there. Maybe this is a coloring page or something, I'm really not sure. And what looks like a sticker sheet, but it doesn't look like the individual stickers are actually cut out, so you have to cut out your own stickers? Maybe we'll figure it out. Okay, what's this Scrawler Notes situation? Scrawler Doodles? Scrawler Notes. Alright, so it looks like a sort of bullet journal thing on that side, and a bullet journal thing on this side. Okay. The candy is Haribo Straubs Minis. Okay, so let's get into these supplies. Let's just open this up. Okay, looks like we have a bunch of markers. Aw. I just saw, I guess, these stamps, and they're just so cute. We've got the month stamp, the ScrawlrBox stamp, which is pretty adorable. We have lots of art supplies. Aw, that's pretty adorable. I quite like that. Okay, good. We have our list of supplies so we know what is going on. Theme, Bujo, which is bullet journaling. That sounds like a very Japanese thing to do, to combine two words to make one. Bujo, bu for bullet, and jo for journaling. I don't know if the word bujo was made from Japan, but it sounds like a very Japanese thing. Okay, so it does look like the sticker sheets you do have to cut yourself, which seems like, a lot of work, but we shall see. Also, here's the sticker. Okay, so let's start at the top of the list. We have the Edding 1340 brush pen. Looks like a brush pen. Next up, the Faber-Castell Pitt Artist brush pen. Again, looks like a brush pen. Next up is the Pentel Energel Plus 0.7 Rollerblade. Ooh, rollerblades. Looks like a ballpoint pen. And last but not least, we have the Staedtler Tri-Plus fine liners in silver and a sort of teal color. So let's see what our theme is. Not surprisingly, it's creatively organized. Creatively organized. All right, let's organize some stuff. Oh, also I forgot to mention that this is our stamp block. Look how clear that is. I'm kind of amazed. Okay, so now that I'm over a little bit how cute some of these things are, I mean, look at these art supply stamps. They are pretty dang adorable. But now that the fact that this is a bullet journal sort of box has settled in, I am ready to be honest with you guys about what I think about bullet journaling. Now, before I say anything, don't get offended. This is just how I feel about something. This should not change how you feel about something. This is not me judging how anyone feels about something. This is just what I feel about bullet journaling and explaining why I don't bullet journal, because I know a lot of you guys ask me if I do bullet journal, so this is kind of like an answer to all of those questions. But while I talk about it, we're going to just do our sort of bullet journal, I guess. ScrawlrBox wants me to do a bullet journal, so we're gonna do a day of bullet journaling, and then maybe I'll doodle with these pens after I'm done. So, bullet journaling. Okay, first of all, these things smell weird. Oh my god, they smell like death. Like I died in a vat of nail polish and chemicals. They're still cute though. What was I talking about? Bullet journaling? Okay, so I do keep, wow, this is really hard to peel off. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I do keep a sort of journal or planner to organize my day because I am self-employed. I do YouTube for a job, By the way, I don't know what I'm doing. I've never bullet journaled, so I'm just kind of winging it from what I've seen other people do. Oh my goodness. I'm just kind of winging it. I've never done bullet journaling, and I'll explain why. I've seen people do bullet journals in videos, and it was enough for me to look at it and say, nah, I'm good. So this is what I think about bullet journaling. Wow, I've said that 100 times. Like I said, I do have a planner. I write everything that I want to do for the month. I write everything that I want to do for the weeks and my days, because I do need to plan my days because I am self-employed. So I need to make sure that I have my life organized, basically. It's really hard to talk and do things at the same time. So I have a planner. I mark things off. Things I don't do, I don't mark off how much water I've drank. I don't mark off doing yoga every day or exercising. Things I mark off, important things I need to do for work, personal things that I would like to do, and honestly, that's about it. I don't really keep track of my mood and how I'm feeling for the day, and I don't know. I mean, if you do that, good for you. I feel like that's a really cool and organized way to do things. But as far as taking a few hours to decorate a journal and goals and stuff, I feel like personally that's just not something I'm interested in. I feel like it's kind of a waste of time for me. I have so many other things that I need to be doing other than decorating my to-do list to be nice and pretty. Anyways, so we're going to make our, this is the July box, by the way. We're making our October thing. What did October start with? Getting close and in the microphone. Let's see, October 1st was Monday. Oh, cool. So it's already lined up with the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday situation. So I can actually, I'm kind of, well, you know what? Let's just go ahead and put October in there. This is very tedious. See, I could just buy a journal that already has this. It's me, Kasey, here to poop on all of your fun times. I don't know what I'm doing. Let's just do it. Oh! I didn't do a very good job, did I? Oh my goodness, look at that. I mean, this is my first time bullet journaling. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Look, this could be our Inktober. Let's do the Inktober logo. You know what I can't do? Calligraphy. You know what I'm going to attempt? Calligraphy. This is going to be our Inktober sort of bullet journal. Oh my goodness, why is that T all over the place? I'm here to butcher your logo, Jake Parker. Beautiful. Oh my goodness, why is the K crazy? You don't really realize just how crazy the Inktober logo is until you have to replicate it. Oh my goodness, I made so I made the K go a little crazier than it should have. It's fine. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. So this is going to be my Inktober bullet journal. So I have done a good job on the first, wait, Monday? Yes, I did my oh. I don't know why I expected that to not, wait, what is this? I expected this to be blue, but it's gray. Wait, what? Did I put, oh, I think I switched the tops on these. Oops. Can we get a playback on that when I unbox them and then switch the tops? Thank you, Kasey. All right, so I did my Inktober 1, 2, 3, 4. That's right, I'm on a roll. So, looks like I'm doing great for my Inktober. What other sort of little stamps can we do? Looks like we've got anything ink related? Not really. But let's just go ahead and use this big bad boy because we need to use more of these because they're very cute and I want to use them. Really not sure what this is for, but I'm just going to go ahead and use it to clean my stamps off. I know I'm very rude. Let's use light blue, even though I'm pretty sure that's probably not going to be the best color for this sort of thing. You know what I do have? I do have an ink pad, but I feel like that would be cheating because this is ScrawlrBox and I'm supposed to be using these supplies, right? Would it be cheating if I... Don't be a cheater, Kasey. I honestly can't tell what am I getting? Oh, did I ever finish pooping on bullet journaling? I think so. I think my point was just I would prefer to buy a journal that is already pre-made with like days and stuff because I'm not very, I guess, picky on what I want. I just want a month, a weekly, and a daily sort of thing that I can plan my days out. I don't need water and yoga and self goals and all that sort of thing. I'm a very simple person and I just feel like I don't have time for all of that. But isn't that the point of bullet journaling, to make sure that you are making time for yourself? I don't know. Either way, it's just something that doesn't really interest me, and that's fine. You know, if you get to do it, honestly, I think it does look very fun, and I kind of do wish that I was more interested in something like it. But I already have so many hobbies like sewing, video games, drawing, YouTube. There's just already so much in my life. Bullet journaling is just not something I need. Oh, I smeared it. That's it, really. But hey, if you like bullet journaling, more power to you. Let me know in the comments, do you bullet journal? Why do you bullet journal? It does seem relaxing and it does seem fun. Unfortunately for me, I don't really have the ability to relax. I'm always panicking about things that could be getting done that I need to get done. Not so much sorting my life out, I guess. Let's write down what I need to focus on. So we'll write, this is a very gray pen and I feel like it's useless. Focus. Shall I try to use this brush? I want to focus on maybe my backgrounds. That's what I've been saying for my whole life. Maybe my black and white contrasting. More character design. I don't know. More gore. Am I right, guys? Let's kill more animals this Inktober. I know how much you guys liked it when I killed that giraffe last Thursday. It was fun. Let's do some more of that. Oh, you know what we didn't do? We didn't use these stickers. So let's take 20 minutes of our life to cut out a sticker. Overall, I just kind of feel like I don't care for bullet journaling, and even ScrawlrBox wasn't able to, I guess, make me like bullet journaling. There was some cute supplies in here, but you really got to convince me that bullet journaling is going to be worth my time for me to sit here and decorate a journal that will just be gone in a month, I guess. But let me know if you guys do bullet journaling. Is this a box you are interested in? Do you get ScrawlrBox? Did you like this box? Would you like to get this box? As someone who doesn't do bullet journaling, I just don't know if this is even good supplies. If you already do bullet journaling, would you already have all of these supplies? I don't even know if this is something that is good for bullet journalers? Bullet journalers? I'm really winging it here. Let's see. Look at that. Boom. October. Look, guys, I really did it. I really bullet journaled. I mean, it's kind of cute, but I don't know. You know what I'd rather do? I'd rather draw. Guess who I'm drawing? Yeah, you probably already guessed it's Hatch. I do think that would be really fun about bullet journaling, would be taking the time to decorate it with characters and drawings and illustrations. But at the same time, I feel like I would rather just be, I don't know, sketching in my sketchbook. This is almost a good Hatch color. Actually, I don't know if that liner is going to handle this marker going over it. No, that is actually not a good Hatch color, I lied. This would be a good Hatch color if Hatch wasn't designed by someone that really liked dull colors. Did you know, actually, Hatch started off gray? That's something that I will talk about if I ever do a video about how I designed my original characters. Hatch used to be gray, and then I changed him to a light blue for a school project, and then I kept him light blue because I was like, yeah, gray's pretty boring. But that's just because I used to draw myself with really colorful outfits, and Hatch was supposed to be gray to contrast me since I was already so bright and colorful. And with my old age, now I dress really boring. So now Hatch has to be the colorful one. Okay, but look how cute this got when I added Hatch in there. It's like a very personalized little sort of thing. That's actually kind of cute. Bullet journaling is still not for me though, I gotta say. What if we just kept adding little characters and stuff? We could always add Oh my goodness. This is going to be Dennis. Oh gosh, this is kind of getting scary. He has no body. Wow, it's like I've never drawn my characters before. Also, you know what's scary? Dennis without horns. Oh my goodness. There he is. Oh wow, that's so adorable. Now we definitely need Owlina. We'll just do her head. Gotta keep things simple. We have lots of bullet journaling to do. I guess the question is bullet journaling considered an art form, or is it a craft? Or is craft considered art? I don't know. Everything is so subjective. I don't actually care what it is, you know? If you just want to do something that makes you happy, then do it. If you want to call it art, I don't care. I'm just gonna be over here doodling my ants and my butts. Okay, well, I gave it a shot. I gave journaling a shot. I poo-pooed on your bullet journaling. I think bullet journaling could be really fun. I do. Like, I think this is absolutely adorable with my characters on it, but I just don't think that bullet journaling is a thing for me. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. I hope I wasn't too negative. I don't feel like I was negative. Just because I don't like something doesn't mean I'm negative. I think I come across kind of negative on accident. Sorry if I did. This is just how I feel about things. Hopefully you enjoyed this somewhat. Maybe you discovered bullet journaling, I don't know. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you to ScrawlrBox for sending me this box. The links will be in the description if you want your own monthly ScrawlrBox. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye! And now a huge thank you to all of my wonderful patrons, including Michael Yun, Zach Abstract, Megan, Chris Side, Davey Tomato, Cool Guy Josh, Hey Lucy, Mackenzie, Maureen A, Pie, Drizzle, Cindy J, Star, Hattie Laird, Stuff by Dell, Zoe Stardust, Cheerfruit, Emil Lindy, and Antmerle Scott. If you want a shout out at the end of my videos, sketches, coloring pages, early access, and more, check out my Patreon by clicking the link in the description. Thank you all so much for the support. Bye!